let's go. We're at the quieter end at the moment. We're about probably 50 metres from where it all happens, I suppose. Lots of people around. I want to avoid everyone. Welcome to the channel. It's the first time you've been here. And welcome to my regulars. So appreciate you being here watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and this walk down Walking Street in Pattaya. Pattaya, Thailand. Live band going. Bit of ZZ Top. Here we go. Now it's starting to happen. Another band over here on the right. Bubbles going everywhere. Kids playing. You won't hear me talking much. Sorry, you won't hear me dribbling much because you probably can't hear me through all this noise. So I'll just let you enjoy the pictures of what's going on. And then we can go from there. Hope you're enjoying these pictures. Late January 2024. What's going on here? Let's see these girls get dunked by someone. No. Away gets done. Throwing the ball at them. Is he going to hit? And down they go. Hopefully you could see that. Not too many people in the way. God. Bloody hell. Trying to get through, guys. It's not easy. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, someone's dropped their guts. Bloody bastards. Oh, there we go. Get them high. Oh, he's in trouble. Is he? No. Security. Oh no, they're in trouble. Dancing, I'll go through this. All happening. Vloggers everywhere as well. People around everywhere. Oh, good. Kylie Minogue. Sensations a go-go. Sorry I'm moving the camera everywhere, boys and girls. It's just stuff going on everywhere. It's hard to keep it still. Hard to keep it still. Fahrenheit. Very popular on that one from what I've been told. A lot of people there. Be a go-go. There you go, guys. There's another walkthrough of Walking Street on a Saturday night in Pattaya, late January 2024. Hope you enjoyed it. please stick around if you want to see more of that stuff and more walking videos around Thailand. What a country, eh? Oh, traffic jam. Look, it's all happening. Can't even get through here. Might just leave it here, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.